Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively play tank destroyers in War Thunder. Tank destroyers are specialized vehicles, typically featuring a very powerful main gun. While some boast heavy frontal armor, many trade protection or turret traverse for this immense firepower. Your main objective is to support your team from a distance, using your superior gun to knock out enemy tanks. Understanding your vehicle's specific strengths and weaknesses is crucial for success on the battlefield. Effective positioning is key for tank destroyers. Seek out elevated spots or strategic choke points that offer a wide view of the battlefield. Always ensure you have hard cover nearby to shield your often vulnerable sides and rear. After firing 1 or 2 shots, consider repositioning to keep enemies guessing your location. Remember, close quarters combat is generally not your friend, as many tank destroyers have restricted gun traverse, making them easy targets. Choosing the right ammunition is vital for tank destroyers. Rounds like armor-piercing high-explosive or AFE and armor-piercing discarding sabot known as APTs offer excellent penetration and post-penetration damage. Always aim for enemy weak spots, such as the turret ring, lower front plate, or driver's port, to maximize your chances of a one-shot kill. Disabling an enemy's gun barrel or tracks can also be a game changer, setting them up for your teammates. Knowing common tank layouts gives you a significant advantage. Many new players make common mistakes with tank destroyers. The most important rule is not to rush into direct combat. You are not a frontline brawler. Patience is a virtue, especially with vehicles that have long reload times, sometimes exceeding 20 seconds. Always keep an eye on your minimap and use your binoculars to spot enemies from afar. Your survival is paramount, as a tank destroyer that stays alive can continue to provide devastating fire support throughout the entire match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.